So let's see how to use this clean media presentation template into DaVinci Resolve. So once you download this template, you will get the zip file and just unzip it, and you will get this folder over here. And just open up that, you will find these folders inside it. And this is the .dre file which you need to install into DaVinci Resolve, which I will show in a moment. But first you have to install the font. So open up this font link and open up this .txt file. And there are two different font links available. So just copy them and open up your browser and just paste it over here. Now you get the font, just click on the get font and you can find the font over here. It's called Single. Download it. And let's go to the second font, copy this, same way just paste the link over here and get font and download it again. There it is popping, just click on it. And now I have just cut and paste these downloaded files over into this font folder, and now I'm gonna extract it and just double click on this Single variable font and just click on this install button and do the same thing over here. Over here you find all of these popping fonts, select all of them and right click on this install or install for all users. So once you're done, all of the font will be installed. Now this is very important. If you don't install the font, the template might not work properly. So install it. If you want, you can change it later. Okay, now let's see how to install the template. For that, open up your DaVinci Resolve and just click on this home icon and right click on any blank space and click on this restore project archives and navigate to your download folder, open up that and select this .dre file and click on this open. And now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as it is and it will be installed. Now just double click on that and it will be open up over here, and in the timeline you'll find all of these 14 different scenes available and you can see the animations. For some reason, if you cannot see the composition name, I will recommend you to enable it from here. Okay, in the project bin you will find 3 different folders. The first one is the edit, where you can find the media placeholders as well as the text and color where you can change them. And then in the final, which is the final composition, which is open by default. And in the assets, you can ignore the asset 1. Okay, now let's see how to change the media. Let's suppose I want to change the media of this same one. So for that, open up the edit folder and open up this media folder and select the scene one. It has only one image, so you get this media one over here. Double click on that, and right now, just beside the final com, it will be opened up. Now what you have to do, just import your media. So in the master bin, I'm just going to create another bin, call this one demo media. And over here, I'm going to import my medias, and I'm just going to drag and drop over here in the timeline. I will recommend you to leave it as it is. Later we can control the size in the editor. Just close this one, and now as you can see, it has been added. Now it has some blank spaces over here. Now we can simply adjust them just from the color tab. So select on the text and colors and just open up the scene. For me it's scene 1, and now I can select this macro file. Now in the inspector tab, you'll find all of these settings. So at first you will find this media transform. So you can control the scale over here as well as position as you want. Now then you will find all the text properties. As you can see, text 1, it has all of these properties over here. Text 2, text 3, text 4. So all of the text you see on screen, they all are over here. And after that you will find this elements color, the gray background, gradient color and the background color. To change the text, you just have to type your text. And if you want, you can change the font over here, as well as you can change the other text as well. You get the idea. And over here you can change the gradient color. If you want, you can turn down the opacity or make it completely 0. You can change the elements color like so. So in the same way, you can go to the next media, change your media placeholders and change the color and stuffs from here, and you're done.